Today, in this video, we will be looking into money management, the most important topic for all the traders. If you guys do not cover this topic, then you guys cannot be a profitable trader. So today, we will be looking into how to manage our money here, and then to that, first you guys have to know about leverage. What is leverage? In Forex, we will be using leverage trading. Usually, we will be using 1 to 500. So what does the leverage mean? Leverage mean a fund that borrowed. So we can call this as a borrowed fund as well. But in these terms, we won't be directly borrowing from anyone, but the broker we are using, broker gives us leverage. So here, how does a leverage work? Let me show you an example for 1 to 5. How does a leverage work? So let's say you are investing for 1 unit, and then the broker will giving you around 5 unit. So let's say you invest 1, and then the broker might give you another 4. So there's total of 5 unit, as we are mentioning in 1 to 5. Alright, let's say this 1 unit costs around 1 USD. So all these cost around 1 USD as well. So total around 4 USD. So what happens to this unit when the price goes up? Let's say this unit, there's a 0.20 additional. So let's say the total price of this unit now, it is 1.2. So same goes to everything. So total value of everything is now 6 USD. So the profit you get is around 1 USD. So this is your profit. So what happens? The initial you put is around 1 USD. The profit is around 1 USD. The borrowed capital is around 4 USD. So this will be your money. This fund will be given back to the broker. So same concept we will be applying into the Forex market as well, 1 to 500. So in broker, we will be entering around 0.01 is equal to 0.01 times with 500. So it's equal to 5.0 USD. That is why leverage trade is considered is a bit risky, but if you know how to manage your money, then it will be profitable. So that's for first part, leverage. And then based on leverage, since 0.01 is considered as $5, you must know how to manage your lot size in the trading as well. So this part, you guys can just focus on this by taking note. If your account is only 50 USD, the low risk, this is for risk management. Risk management. The low risk for 50 USD account, you can put 0.03, and then medium 0.05, and then high risk is 0.10. So same applies for until 1000 USD. This part you guys can take screenshot or just follow this. If you have 1000 USD account, which is a large account, the low risk maximum you can put around 0.60, then medium risk 1.0, high risk is 2.0. Don't go more than that, and then it will be very hard to trade. If it is not a sharp entry, you might face the consequences by having a huge amount of losses. And then followed by risk reward ratio. This part, if you don't know how to take your profit and then how to stop your losses, and then it will be very hard to make a consistent profit. Usually I will recommend to have minimum of 1 to 2 risk and reward ratio. So let's say 1 is risk, 2 is reward. So what does this mean? So if let's say your target daily is around 20 USD. So what is your risk you should be focusing on? Your risk, you should be focusing on loss of negative 10 USD. So how does this work? Let's say you already reached 20 USD for 8th of April. And then what you have to do? Stop trade. Let's say you already faced 10 USD loss. during the 8th of April, then what should you do? Stop trade. Don't push yourself and then trade the next day. Then there's another concept also. On second, then there's another concept which is your trading risk and reward ratio. Let's say you have $100 account, and then let's say you want to make an entry of 0.05. Let's say this is your entry. If you made an entry in this chart and then you buy here, so your TP is around this place, which is this resistance. This is your TP, and then your SL is around maybe this support. This is your SL. So the distance between these two should be 1 and 2. Okay, how does this work? Let's say you buy here, your TP should be around 30 pips. Your SL should be around 15 pips. This is considered as 1 to 2. If you can minimize it or can do like this, means your TP is around 60 pips, and then your SL since still 15 pips. So this is much even better, but this one may be high win ratio. So you can start from minimum 1 to 2. 1 to 2 win ratio. Don't go around 1 to 1. Then if you win 10 pips, if you lose 10 pips, means there's nothing much you can earn lah. So this one don't follow. So you have to be minimum 1 to 2 win ratio. So what is break even? This part most of the traders won't be doing it since they are more confident into their trade. So for a simple explanation, right? So let's say another entry you are making here. Okay, you made an entry here. You buy here, price is already here, and then your SL here, your TP here. All right, let's say the distance between these two is around 100 pips. Price already traveled around 60 pips. We are not sure yet these 40 pips will be covered or not. So what as a trader you should do, this SL, right, you have to be moving upward here. So let's say minimum of 30 pips positive SL. So let's say this is what we call as a break even. So even though the price cannot reach the 100 pips TP, if it goes back down, it will hit here, not here. So you will be close in a 30 pips profit, not in a 30 pips SL. Even though the profit is less, but you are secure in profit, not in a negative. So you should always remember to set break even. Change your SL into break even, so you won't be facing any bigger loss. So this one, every trade you reach minimum of 30 pips, you set BE around 20 pips. This one you should remember. If the price achieved like more than 30 pips, you set minimum of 20 pips, so you won't face any bigger losses. Sometimes the price might go until here and then hit the 100 pips TP. But as a trader, you guys should not be worrying about anything, since it happens every day market. The market won't be going anywhere. We will be trading every day. All right. So that's it for today. I covered so much for money management. Hope you guys can follow everything for your money management and then trading every day, so you can face a consistent profits, not losses. Thank you guys.